Alright, here's how you're going to install Eclipse. You're going to go to your browser. You're going to put in Eclipse download. You're going to look for Eclipse Installer 2022-03R. Not Eclipse IDE, not any of the other stuff, but Eclipse Installer. It's goofy, but it's worth it. Try the Eclipse Installer. Let's try it. We're going to download it. Hopefully you're using Linux, so we're going to go with Linux. If you're Windows, I don't know what exactly is going to happen. Let's go ahead and download it. I will save it in this directory that is completely empty. Well, I'll make a new directory. Eclipse 2. Alright, there's my empty directory. So we'll go ahead and we'll save it. You can give money if you want. I'm not going to give money. It's already done downloading. Alright, I'm going to go into my terminal window. I'm going to go into EC2. Here's my file that I just unloaded. We're going to unzip it. And that's going to leave us with a tar file. And I'm just going to tar extract verify file, this file right here. And now I've got an Eclipse installer. And that's what I want to run. So I'm just going to do /Eclipse installer /Eclipse-inst, and this will run the installer by oomph, whatever that is. Alright, here's the part that makes or breaks the whole deal. No, it's not the donate button. Eclipse IDE for Java developers. And so whatever installation folder you want is fine, but let's do Java 11 plus VM. And it's going to come from the OpenJDK. And that's the one you want. That's the one I'm going to run against. That's the one you've got to compile with and test with. And I'm going to be very insistent on that. Now, if you already have Eclipse installed and you already have Java installed, you're going to have to work on the side of those or run in a VirtualBox. I think this will play nicely with pre-existing installations, but your best bet is just to try it early and make sure that it works. And yes, we can accept all of these terms. We just read them very carefully. And this will download and install. And you should be good to go. We'll let it run and see what happens. You can watch the little thing spin. You can like zoom in and stare at it. It's so beautiful. It's slowing down. Maybe that's my eyes. Let's zoom back out. I can do that multiple times. Alright. Alright, and then let's go to lunch. There we go. There's your splash screen. That's good. And then the rest of this we're going to go through in class. But let's just go ahead and pick a workspace. This is like an area where it's going to put the billions of files that it creates on your behalf. And we're going to, well, I've already got stuff in my workspace because it's not really the first time I'm doing it. We're going to say File, New, and Java Project, and uncheck this nasty little box down here. This will be checked for you. Create moduleinfo.java file. Make sure that's not checked. Project name, it works. Finish. We're done. Okay, we still have to make it do something. I'm going to say File, New, Class. I'm going to make a class called Main, and I'm going to check this box that says I would like to create public static void main, etc. Bingo, we've got code written. Let's just add our print statement. System.out.println. Now you can see the annoying autocomplete that's happening. It filled in a closing paren. I hit a quote, it fills in a closing quote. Hello. If I don't know those are there and I just keep typing, it'll mostly do no harm. And then hit the run button. Here's our console output. Hello. Bingo. We've got Java up and running. Have a good day.